Max and Mia.
Oh no, it's starting to rain, but my animal friends still want to play. Rain, rain, go away, creepy tree looking up at the sky, Bella joins him. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day, monkey wants to jump and play. Rain, rain, go away, rain, go away, come again another day. Monkey wants to jump and play. Rain, rain, go away. Blue is hiding his head behind the tall tree. Sheep giggles and waves. Giraffe, don't be shy, let's wish the rain goodbye. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Giraffe wants to stretch and sway. Rain, rain, go away. And the puddles, but Bella catches his trunk and laughs. Oopsie, careful, Mr. Elephant. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Elephants to stomp all day. Rain, rain, go away. Lion is curled up under a rock, yawning. Bella tiptoes up and gives him a gentle pat. Hey, sleepyhead, don't let the rain make you grumpy. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Lion wants to roar and play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, go away. You missed the sun so bright.